This is a sample site selection report that's available for any pre-selected location in Canada, or a region as in this example. It's powered by our Thinking in Layers digital twin retail model, the latest technological advancement that creates much more optimized retail networks with higher revenue and lower costs. Figure 1 is a map of the trade areas under analysis, the west side of Winnipeg, Manitoba in this example. Trade areas under analysis are designated by solid circles and hollow circles for trade areas outside. Colors correspond to the type of trade area ranging from the largest superregional to the smallest neighborhood. Figure 2 provides the site-specific metrics of each individual trade area. The first two columns give the location, while the third and fourth columns provide the input supply and demand data. Competitor counts for the supply side and the adjusted market size for the demand side, which is consumer spend after accounting for consumers living inside the trade area but purchasing outside. The next column provides the recommended action for the trade area. The first part of the column is the recommendation, while the second part is the rationale behind it. The last 7 colored columns are 0 to 100 percentile scores for all analysis variables, each benchmarked against all trade areas in Canada. A score of 75 means the variable is higher than 75% of all trade areas in Canada, and a value of 50 means average. The first two indicate the revenue potential for 2 user-selected retail categories, in this example, American fast food and total fast food. The next two columns are input supply and demand scores that help us understand the first new site potential score. The next column is the visibility score, which is a measure of the total number of households living in the trade area. It considers all households, not just the households expected to purchase goods and services in the trade area. The last two columns provide brand sentiment and awareness scores. They are defined as the average Google rating and total Google review count for all competitors in each trade area. Let's look at the Winnipeg Park West location as an example. This is an excellent potential site because it has high revenue potential score for both the first and the second retail categories, as well as a high visibility score. It also has a favorable low brand sentiment score, which indicates consumers are less than satisfied with current fast food competitors. The level of the brand awareness score indicates the strength of the consumer voice. Figure 3 provides the raw demographic data for each trade area compared against the provincial average. It allows retailers to add demographics into the site selection process. Let's look at an example. In the CF Polo Park trade area in Winnipeg, the average age is 42.3 years, which is 6.5% higher than the provincial average of 39.7 years. This puts this location in the 76th percentile, or put another way, it has a higher average age than 76% of all trade areas in Manitoba. This report provides a full site selection solution designed to help retail brands build higher revenue and lower cost networks.